It's Larry from Piotr's. We got a nice one today. 81 528i. So we got something special for you. This car's for sale. We're going to see what this car can do. See the performance, the braking. See how much horsepower this thing can do. Nelson, this one's for you, buddy. We'll have to make one video just for Nelson. Fires right up like a clock. Hold on. I'm gonna pop this baby back in real quick. Perfect. Mint. A little rough, little rough. Got some pep in her step for an old lady. Let's take this grandma home, get her in the garage.